Hi, my name is Matthias and I'm from Pneumatic Engineering. I'd like to show you today a quick step-by-step demonstration on how to set up Tokap's Amax pneumatic hydraulic pump. Firstly, we have to inspect the power cord and the pendant cable for any visible damage. Next, we have to open up the fuel cap and fill the reservoir up with 6.0 liters of hydraulic oil. Attach the hoses using quick coupling connection. Give it a quick pull test to ensure that the connection is secure. After that, we have to hook both ends of the hose together to create a continuous cycle, allowing you to pre-fill the lines, and then connect the air supply to the pump. Once the air supply has been connected to the pump, what you want to do next is turn on your air supply and run your pump for 20 seconds to pressurize the pump. Next, we're going to detach both ends of the hoses by twisting the quick coupling connection. Lastly, connect both ends of your hoses to your desired port.